It's Fryo here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on these two remote control helicopters. This is the World Tech Toys Neptune-X 3.5 IR helicopter. I need something. Yeah. This is the Propel Coast Guard helicopter. This is what it looks like. It's charging right now, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's plastic, so it's squishable, but it's hard up here. It comes with, what does it come with? Well, I know what it comes with, and it says it on the instruction booklet that you get. In, I think, 2 different languages. Nope, not different languages. So it has the helicopter, which is only used for indoors because this controller here, you can see that it's an infrared controller. Same with yours. It comes with spare propellers in case, you break one. And this instruction booklet and this other odd thing that I picked up. So, this is about $80 depending on where you buy it from. I bet it's like $50 on Amazon though.
This is, I'll tell you about this one. So this one, yes, it looks pretty cool. It has a World Tech Toys.
You're talking weirdly.
It has a World Tech Toys thing on the propellers.
Logo.
Yeah. And so, this comes with spare propellers. It's an indoor helicopter. It's an infrared controller, like Sam said. This is around $30. And, I don't know, are we going to fly them both?
Well, that's my next point. It says right in this book thing, it says that you need to charge it for 30 to 40 minutes, and you get the thrill of flying it for 5 to 10 minutes. It really says 6 to 8, but round it to 5 to 10 minutes. And it's like, you don't even get half of what you charge it for, so that's kind of crappy.
You charge it for 15 to 20 minutes, and you get about 10 minutes of flying.
Yeah, so that's better charging-wise.
Which is odd. And this one, we feel, is
more of a beginner's helicopter.
Right, because it's much easier to control.
Okay, so you see this? This is a more complex controller because... Here, give me this. So this one is for the World Tech Toys. Right here, this one is for the Propel. So you can see that this, I'll pick that up in a second. This can go up and down, and this can move in all directions.
This is
your trim knob.
This is for going up and
really, John. This is your trim knob right here. And there's a big difference on this one because this can only go side to side. See, I can't move it up and down, and this can only go up and down, which is the same as the other ones. But see, there's no trim knob. It's just right and left trim buttons. So that's not going to be much harder for your hand because this one, when you're flying it, you can be looking at it and be like, okay, trim it here, move it like this. And this one, you'll have to be like, okay, so I have to trim it and turn it this way. I don't even know how you move the thing forward. Okay?
I think you just...
And I got this at Christmas, and it's February. So, if we can, we're going to fly it. But if we can't fly this one, then I have a loaded Nerf gun. And for your entertainment...
Well, that's mine. No, shoot it with the Maverick.
No, okay, let's load the Maverick while I'm talking. And we'll shoot this one down, because this needs to charge for half an hour to an hour. And then you get 10 minutes of flying. So, load the Maverick. Oh yeah, so
that's not even charged.
About the batteries, this one you have, just, if you're going to go out and buy it. God. Okay, before this is like,
do you want me to get
6 flying, this is, that's like 6 AA's, and this is like 8, I don't know. Alright, so basically before we do the flying test, I'm going to say the overall review so far is, I'd recommend going for this one, especially if it's your first helicopter. Because you get more for your money, and you can control it a lot better.
The only thing better about the Coast Guard one.
Here is the design. So if you open this up on the Propel controller, you'll have the wire, the charging wire in there, and then you can just shut it, but you can fly it with the charging cable out, so don't worry. This one is pretty much the same, except for it's kind of hard to see. It's on the back right there. You gotta pull it down like the other one, but this one is a little harder charging-wise, but I got it open. So, ready to fly them? Alright, so let's
fully charged,
move the camera.
So they're not gonna
Move the camera.
They're not gonna fly.
The camera fell. Alright, let's move this.
Alright, and if neither of them flies, then we'll just throw them up in the air and shoot them.
No, that one will fly.
No, it's not even... Alright, fine, we'll fly it a little bit.
Ow! He knocked it down. Alright,
And
here goes flying test for that.
you will see that Sam is better at flying
Take me.
helicopters.
Low battery. You better get this done quick.
No, you can't. You don't use the battery credit.
I do.
Move. Sam, fly.
Oh, no, yeah, fix that. And they do get jammed every now and then because they're helicopters. Yeah, fly it up again.
Ah, crap.
And it crashes a lot too.
You're gonna shoot it. Or no?
Yeah, you know.
Oh, you missed. Oh,
Both
down. Alright, now Sam's gonna fly it.
Fly what?
Mine, and I'm gonna shoot it down. Actually, no, you can try yours. Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta see if my thing that's been charging for a long, long time. Like
Yeah, and Sam's been charging for like an hour and a half.
I think
and
it's defective.
it's not flying. So hey, it worked.
Yeah, for a second.
Yeah, but now it's out of battery. Wait, turn it off and then turn it back on again.
No,
Yeah, it might
it's
work.
not gonna work, stupid.
Ha! It worked.
Yeah, watch it turn off right when I start flying it. Might
Alright.
as well smash it with a truck or something.
So I guess you're gonna fly mine.
So, yeah, I'll fly it, you shoot it.
Yeah. Shoot. First shot. Let's go.
First shot. You can't be that close. You have to be down over
I'll be
there.
back here, all the way at the back of the couch.
What?
Oh my god, it stayed up.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
right.
No, you fly. That was
No, you keep flying. You keep flying.
No. I want to shoot.
You keep flying. I feel bad that the helicopter's not working.
Oh, shut up.
Just kidding. I just want to shoot.
Yeah, you're just like breaking stuff.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Yeah. All right.
You know what? I'm shooting now. I'm
All right,
shooting.
fine, but reload it.
Karma.
Here comes karma. All right, let's try that. You'll probably be able to hear it if we can knock it down. I'm not sure. Ready?
Now, I'm ready.
No, stop playing it. Ah, no, miss.
Oh, I hit it. I hit it.
Oh,
It kept
hit the light. Let's go.
That's a durable. Wait, I'm not ready yet. That's a durable helmet.
Jammed again. Every time you fly, it might after you crash it, you might want to look at
Come
it
on,
to make sure
fly it.
that the propellers aren't killing.
Oh my God,
That's some cheat. That's cheat. You have to let me fly it for like 5 seconds before you can shoot it. Right? New rule. Let's go.
1, 2, 3,
I'm gonna fly it into you because I want.
5. That hurt. That hit me where the sun don't shine.
All right, fine. After this one,
We gotta end the video after this.
no, after this I can keep shooting one more time, and then we'll end the video. Woo! When the sun's good, I'm sweating. Oh, I tried to land on the chair. Yeah, wow, that's actually
Fly the thing.
landed in the bucket. Okay, you fly.
No,
now.
fly it. I need to shoot it down.
I'm landing on the chair.
Wait, hold on. I'm not ready
Ah, I
yet.
don't care. No, it's fine. Oh God, I stink at this.
You tried to make it hit me.
Yeah, I did. Oh, I think I'm gonna put some propellers on. I think I broke them. Woo!
Last time. Last flight.
Last flight and then the video.
This is flight 307. Jesus Christ.
Here you go. Sam! The propeller broke one of the bullets. Look at that.
Talk about it.
I'm not kidding. It actually ripped that. It wasn't already like that.
No, it won't fly. It's out of battery.
That's not true.
It's true. So
I just plugged it in.
We're ending the video.
No, look, it flies.
It won't work. It's been 10 minutes already. Alright, guys. 10 minutes and like 80 seconds or something.
Wait, Sam, look.
I don't care. Alright,
Hey,
guys.
it's fun. Alright, see you guys later. Wait, I want to shoot it down.
Too bad.
Sam,
Alright.
shoot it. There you go.
Guys, thanks for watching.
I'm holding it. That's why he's not knocking it down.
Like, subscribe, buy the yellow one. Bye. Move the thing. Ow. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.